Hi everyone, I wanted to show you my new massage gun. I've never tried one before and this is my first one, to be honest, and this thing is amazing. I have a couple massage chairs that I use all the time, but there you just sit on it. It's not targeted for specific areas. The massage gun, you put it exactly where you want. It's literally a life changer. So here's the box that it comes in. Here's a couple of the features. It shows 5 massage heads and 5 speeds. It's got an 8mm stroke, so that's basically how in and out the massage gun goes. I'm going to open it up and show you how it comes. So it's got a carrying case. The carrying case makes it easy, portable. It's got a great handle. It's got like a cloth-like feel, but it's a hard, soft shell. It's really nice. The gray. It's like a very modern color. So here's the zipper to open up the case. And here is the stuff it comes with. So in here, I don't know why I keep putting it back in the plastic. So here's the actual massage gun. Sorry, lost focus for a second. So here's the actual massage gun. On the back is the button to control the power and the speeds, etc. So you can see over here, feel that, I don't know, see that vibration, you can see how it's going in and out. And you can press it again to increase the intensity. And you can see over here the 5 levels, and then turns off. So in the front, this is where the attachments come on. You can see over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 separate attachments. So I'm going to put one of them on just to show you how it works. So here's the plastic piece. It just slides right in, and then when you turn it on, you can see how it goes in and out. And then you could target whatever part of your body you need to kind of dig in over there and give you that massage that you need. On the bottom over here is the USB Type-C charging port, and then here's the battery level indicator, so you know how charged it is. Make sure you don't lose it in the middle of a massage, lose the battery. To take them off, it just pops right off, and then you just put the next one on. Just put it right in, and again turn it on. See how it's going in and out. And then over here is the charging cable, USB Type-C, and it comes with a couple. It comes with a replaceable, rubber ring in case it's needed. Like, see over there, it's got that rubber ring, and over here it's got a rubber ring, and over here it's got a rubber ring. So in case one of these go bad, they give you one free replacement, and I'm sure you could get replacements for the company if needed. But these type of things should last a while. So here's the user manual. Honestly, I didn't even read it because it's kind of so simple. I didn't have any issue learning how to turn it on, etc. Go to Bob and Brad's YouTube site. Yeah, they got a bunch of physical therapy YouTube videos out there to teach you how to use this stuff. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment on the bottom. But this thing costs, I forgot exactly, it was around $150. But it's definitely worth it. It's compact, it's not too heavy, but it gives a good kick. Thanks for watching my review on the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun.